daughter got that for me for Christmas. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Just wanted to hike up to the cabin today, check it. We've had some real bad weather here in north central West Virginia the past couple weeks. Big snow, ice storm last week. We're finally getting over that, but temperatures have been, they haven't been above 10 the last 3 days, so main roads are cleared up, but the side roads are still covered in ice, and haven't been able to get out and do too much except go to work, come home, and try to take care of everything there. But I did want to get out today and at least get up to the cabin. Supposed to go to Ohio and bow hunt the last of the Ohio bow season, but this storm that came canceled that out, so I had to stay close to home. So, but yeah, just not too much going on. Just wanted to come up to the cabin, check it out, and just trout season's coming in, and turkey season will be here before you know it. We're doing some things different this year on the channel. I don't show it a lot, but I really enjoy camping, and we're doing a lot more camping this year, leading up to, give me something to do in the off season when it's not hunting season. Of course, I'll still be going to hunting camp, prepping for deer season. That's year round, but trying to throw in a few other things that I really like doing, and maybe some of you out there, enjoy, getting out. For me, it's just about being outside, being in outdoors, and my channel, Southpaw 210, is mostly about hunting, but I think I'm going to show you kind of everything that I get into. So if you want to come along with me for that, you can. If you're just here for the hunting, the hunting, it's not going nowhere. So, but either way, if you watch or not, I'm not here for the money or anything like that. I'm here just to kind of keep a diary for my family, and I've made some really good friends on YouTube, and those of you that are out there, you know who you are, and yeah, that's it. Just wanted to stop in, say hi to everyone, just checking on the cabin. My daughter bought me a picture for the cabin for Christmas. I wanted to get it up. Haven't been able to get up here because the weather's been so bad since Christmas, and just check things out. So I'm going to do a couple other things here, and then going to hike on out of here. I'd like to give a shout out to old Jake the Fox. He's up there by Krabby Bill, and he's got a YouTube channel. He puts out a lot of content, and maybe if you guys could help him out the way you help me out,